Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a double and I am excited with these particular wigs that I got today. It's old but new to me and I should have gotten it a long time ago, for real. So this is brought to you by Outre. Well, the wig is by Outre and I have Breanne. I got two, y'all. So I'm naturally gonna get the color number 2 because my hair color. And then I also have one in the DR4 Golden Honey. I've been really anticipating for a long time on these wigs. On Breanne specifically because I don't know. I like bob wigs and I like this natural yaki hair texture. I don't know why it took me so long to get. I guess it was because, I hoard so many wigs and I just wanted to like slow down on it. But it's summertime and I need something short, just to like stop at my neck or a little bit past my neck or whatever, not too long. So I had to get it. All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so melted hairline. So you do know that the lace is pre-plucked with baby hairs. It does come with this is a side part. So this is the part here. You can do a little bit more parting if you want to. So this is like the space that you have here. It does come with elastic band, combs on the sides, and comb at the bottom, and also some adjustable straps. I'm going to try the DR4 Golden Honey for you first. Because I think I'm going to just go ahead and put on the number 2. We gonna see. This gold is serving, y'all. I like this. This is nice. This is really cute. Like, look at this. Like, you really don't even need to do much to it. Like, you don't even need to flat iron it or anything. I know we all like to go in a little bit with the flat iron to like flat iron like this down, or in case we want to like put the hair behind our ear and whatnot. But just look at this. Like, I just want y'all to see, like, look at this hairline. I know my hairline like right there or whatever, but I can like still pull this forward and hide it and glue it. Look at that. Y'all see that? All right, let's jump in. Color number 2. I kind of noticed a little difference with this wig and all the other melted hairline wigs that I currently have, like Liliana, and I do have Rafaela. I haven't reviewed her yet though. They're really big head friendly, and Eliana too. Like, they're really big head friendly. So this one is, I can tell it's a little tight, and it's stretchable, but it requires a little bit of pulling compared to the other wigs I just named, because they have like so much cap space, and it's just like, it's a smooth transition. All you gotta do is put it on, fit it on your hairline, glue it. It's just like, it's no yanking. I don't know, but that's kind of like what I got from that. And I don't know if it's because I have my hair like in like a little plait right now and kind of like pulled to the back, but still. So I'm gonna rock with this one. So this is what we're gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and style this one for myself. So y'all just hang tight and we gonna get the installation going. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna jump into this wig install. I've already cut the lace off, so I'm gonna go ahead and like apply it, and I'm gonna use some wig dealer just for like a little bun hold.
Skipping on the sidewalks of my mind, hoping everything is gonna be alright. When we were brand new, we used to shine. Before we had the fights, before we had the lies, the space where I can breathe is in my memory. We don't know what will be, but if you like these games, then can we just play? Remembering the days we used to hide, when it was about the sneaking from behind. Back when you and I would ride our bikes, somewhere in between the city and its sights. Skipping on the sidewalks of my mind, hoping everything is gonna be alright. Don't know why I'm staying up tonight. Forget about the fights, forget about the lies. The space where I can breathe is in my memory. We don't know what will be, but if you like these games, then can we just play? The space where I can breathe is in my memory. We don't know what will be, but if you like these games, then can we just play?
It's always the sideburn that I want to stay down, huh? But anyway, I love this unit. It's so nice. Okay, guys, that is the end of my review for tonight. Like, subscribe, and share. Dang, it's done. It's like really pretty. Anyway, like, subscribe, and share, you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Bye.